package came. Whew. All right. All sealed up. All sealed up. All right. I'm back. So, let's whip out the old 5th pocket knife that I restored earlier. Now, I was sharpening some blades on some tools, and I was just out getting the wheel hoe and get ready to take that apart, redo the handles. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is a Chinese diesel heater. If you see behind me, there is on the ground back there. Anyway, right there. That is a kerosene heater. Kerosun brand, Japanese, from back in the 1980s. I inherited it from, I think, my grandparents' house. Anyway, the kerosene heater has been great. The fumes are minimal, plus this place is kind of leaky still. I haven't finished sealing it off. So it's working out okay, but kerosene in my area is $5.50 a gallon. That burns 1.5 to 1.7 gallons a night, or every 24 hours, what I say. So that's over $9 a day, and we're gonna see what diesel fuel does. Diesel fuel, it's got a digital controller. We'll see. We'll see. I'll explain the whole process. I'll take you all the way through it, and then I'll install it and show you how it installs. But anyway, right now I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. Come along. Boop. All right, package straight out of mail. Looks like it came from Slow Boat. Yep, cutting toward myself. Not always the safest way. Oh yeah. All right. 10-liter fuel tank. I may or may not end up using that. Wow. 10-liter fuel tank. It's all right. It's kind of chintzy. All right. This is the mounting plate. So the exhaust and intake are on the bottom, plus the fuel line. So the mounting plate will go on a piece of wood with some pre-cut holes. Thick manual, but that's the English part. Which is good. We will see what we have here. Alright, accessory pack first. Wiring harness, I do not know. Muffler. Alright, so we'll go through this. Diesel heater. Look at that. Cool. Nice. Stoked. Right on. There is your fuel pump. My fuel pump. Remote control. control panel. Alright. I want to install it right away, but well, we'll see. We will see. We keep this all together. Nice little pair of gloves. Muffler. Self-tapping screws. I don't know. I guess this is a fuel pickup. We'll see. I gotta find out what I have here. All right. Cool stuff. This is supposed to be an air silencer. $10 mil, $8 mil combo. Fuel pump, anti-vibration. Oil it up. Get some juice. Juice it. Alright. Cool, man. Well, I got everything to do the diesel heater. Let's check it out. There it is. Carbon fiber. Super lightweight. Bro. Silicone gasket. That's good. I heard some companies have gotten away from that. We're using inferior materials here, but that's great. Alright, well, I'll get back with you once I do my due diligence, study the instructions, and we'll do an install video. I'm going to put all this stuff away because I got to get back to some tool restoration. And then this will go out back. Yeah, I got to scrounge up some materials for that little install. So it won't be hard. It won't be too difficult. I'm going to give you the drill bit. And the 8mm driver. Nice. I think this is a great little setup so far. I don't know. I paid my own money, so I paid for it with my own money. Therefore, my review will be unbiased. This too. Sure. Not quick to take shit apart. Seems pretty take apartable. Might as well check it out. Alright, so anybody want to see the inside of a diesel heater? So that's the inlet that I just took apart. This is the inlet fan, the impeller. It blows air over the whole machine. Comes out this end, goes through this hosing, blows dry hot air into the room. I've got to decide whether I'm going to mount this in the room with the fuel system outside, which is a consideration, but you still have to get your inlet and exhaust air out, which they have this little tiny exhaust pipe and this little tiny intake pipe. So you can't be too far from a wall the way you mount it. It's not really a problem, but just needs, it's a consideration. Anyway, this is all undone. I just unscrewed the cap and it all snaps apart. So they're designed to be reasonably serviceable. And they're all just a clone of each other. Every company, supposedly. Alright, so there it is. The combustion chamber, your fuel line, your glow plug, fuel line, combustion chamber. And then this dissipates the heat. And it all funnels together and blows out the front of this. Yeah, I'm gonna check that out separately. Just give it a good look over. But I want to see these. This is where the heating fins rest on the body, and I've heard different things from different people. But I don't know what it is. It's a mystery material. It did come from China. I'm going to put it back together at this point. I've seen what I need to see, but I wanted to inspect the heater. So it looks cool. Looks good. I don't know, you tell me. Is there anything I need to be looking for right now? Does anybody have experience with a Chinese diesel heater? I'm sure somebody out there does. But this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. It literally just sits in there. And it's just going to literally sit in my shop. I'm not driving around. These are kind of designed for RVs and van life. That is not my application. Little winter workshop life. Keeping my shop warm, keeping my tools from rusting. Whatever. So there it is. Chinese diesel heater. In all its glory. A little gasket there. You do your little mounting plate. Whichever way you want. And then that in turn mounts onto a piece of wood. So we'll see. We'll see. I could tuck it under the workbench. I just don't want it to be too loud. Whatever. We'll see. Till next time. Have a good one, everybody.